All right. Today we're gonna do the first maintenance on the Cadet Lt42 Intellipower. This is the Xt1 Enduro series. So this is the first maintenance. We're going to change the oil and the oil filter. So I'm gonna show you what you need. So we're gonna do put the Pennzoil 10W30 on it, and then we got this kit. We got this kit from Amazon. It includes the oil filter, the air filter, the oil filter. We got the spark plug, and we're gonna change this too. Okay. All right. So we're gonna start with the oil first. Okay. Let's get ready. We're gonna drop the oil. Gonna put some gloves on. Okay, now before we drop the oil, guys, we're gonna start the mower and make sure we get the engine warm up. Okay, and then after maybe let's say 15 minutes, okay, we're gonna turn the mower off so we can drop the oil. The engine is hot now, so now we can, let's open this so the oil can flow better. We're gonna open this one here, and then we're gonna twist it. Let's put this first. We're gonna put this tube. We're gonna twist this to the left, and we're gonna pull. Don't pull too hard. Okay. Okay, now we're dropping the oil. Okay. Okay. Now it's coming faster. Okay, while we're dropping the oil, we're gonna go ahead and change this filter for the gas right there. So this end right here has to go to the engine, but we have to swap it fast because we're gonna lose some, a little bit of gas. So let's do that now. Okay, get ready because okay. Now this side, we're gonna remove this side now. Okay. All right. And then we're gonna connect them. Ooh. Okay. All right. Now the difference with this, we can see the inside. We can see what's going on inside here if the something is wrong. But this one you cannot see anything, and it's small. So this filter have to change like every year or so. Okay. Okay. All right. So now we're done with this part. Okay. Now let's change the oil filter. So I'm gonna use this key. I bought this key from Amazon. So as you can see, it's fit right in. Okay. So that's what I'm gonna use with a ratchet to remove it. Okay. So I got it loose. So now okay, this filter is 75112,690. Okay, now we're gonna put the new oil filter in. Okay. Yeah, so when you tighten the oil filter, don't tighten too much, but only use your hand. And when you feel like it's tight, that's it, you're good. Okay, now we're done. So we need to take this off, close that, and then turn it to your right and lock it. Okay. Left to unlock, right to lock. Okay. And then we're gonna put the oil. Okay, now we're gonna put the oil. We're gonna put like less than 2 quarts. Okay, and then we're gonna measure it. And where is the okay, let's put the oil and then we're gonna measure it, make sure it's not too okay. Right there is, it has to be under the high. Okay, try not to get it above the high, but to the last dot there. Okay, right there. So okay. Let's put some more. Alright. Okay, we're gonna stop right there so we can measure it, make sure It's not too much. Okay, we're gonna make sure the oil is just right. We're gonna measure it, make sure it's right below the high. Okay. Let's try again. All right. Now we got it just right. Okay. So all we have to do is to start the motor. So the motor, so the motor oil can, you know, circulate inside. Okay. All right. Now we're done with the maintenance. We change the oil, the gas filter, the oil filter. The only thing I did change is spark plug and the air filter. But I have a new air filter. I will change it. I will change it later on. I have the air filter. I have the spark plug. So I'm gonna change them later on. You know. So I just don't wanna do it now because the air filter is still good. So now we're gonna start the mower and call it a day. Okay. All right. And then after, we might wash it, you know, get it clean. So now let's start it.